like smoke go dey come out, go dey make later e go just burst out. Una fit say e dey carry problem between pics and editorial. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today na your first time coming across this my channel, please subscribe. Do well to subscribe. In this channel, we dey talk story and we say give advice and we see the talk put waiting. We say e no normal and they not do well. Now we dey do for this channel. Yes, I get another channel also, Esther Family TV. Yes, I dey vlog for there. I dey make my daughter hair. Yes, I just go around, comb my hair, pack my hair. I say no, let me chook my mouth for this matter. Echo meme when they between Piston and editorial and Amy or editorial 55. Yes, I know her as editorial 55 before editorial and Amy. Now, big YouTuber, she'll get almost 2 million. I don't know again. I know they follow her subscriber. You know, this Piston, I will draw my watch. She's mannerless. Yes. You know, say people when they suffer, when they suffer, they see small breeze when it just blow there. They'll just do like this. They go, no, they'll forget where they for they come. Why I talk like that? I will draw that my word. Why I talk like that? In this particular Piston, a Piston, I be pistol, I be anyhow I pronounce her. No, I just take her for me. Initially, all her load, it don't reach my table. Then when it reach my table, I don't want to talk the load. My beautiful sister, Ekeme, maybe I first talk to you first before this piece. Sister, Ekeme, editorial, na your sister, na your cousin. Now she bring you come out for this social media, you know. If editorial and Piston get misunderstanding or something, they when they talk to your sister, she no one here. Why can't you visit live stream? You go visit live stream presenter. You go chat there up for you to sit down because as you come out, you make a video. Many of us, me I not watch you. Now my sister, my beautiful sister, Vicky Corner. If I don't know Vicky Corner, now she will make me go watch the video. Now her house, I for hear the loads. Now I run, pick my shoe. I say no, my ear must hear. Now I run go there. Now I go hear the matter. I say, hey, this one pass Baba. Oh, what did they say? My man no hear. Esther don't hear. Naija daughter don't they load them. Oh, Naija daughter don't they load them. Oh, now I go say my sister don't they load. I say what did my sister load? I want to be relax. Me I sleep. Now I say no. I they see what I say no. Now I load. Now I wash her. Now I say he said me when I go wash Ekeme UK family. Now I run go wash her. My beautiful sister UK family. We still know you as Ekeme. If something like this they happen, we know say you hide under the umbrella of editorial 55 to take growth. Not be like ox when we did the streets, when we strong, but when we understand if this one are like this one are like we not still understand. We still know person when we go call. We still know the one when still pass us when we go call. You not there like that. You just sit down. Your YouTube just monetize. You get your subscriber. You don't know anything. Then when you see say something like this, they go on about pigs. Me I just call them pigs. China, Piston, China. Then you go visit live stream. You go visit big YouTuber when they no packs you. They go allow. They will tell you say they do one. If na pill na they expect that they do a manual. Una go do a manual for you to come out. And everything when you talk, they just know say you are editorial and not they play. Na editorial bring you come straight. Some people go join you. Some people go join editorial. You understand? But for me, I didn't get anybody when you assist. If now when Piston and editorial get all the loads, I get them, but I don't want to bust them out. As you say, if you Piston don't monetize, we no one here. If you want, say, may we load down. The person will load me with the thing. The person, Piston, tell her, say, may send my own China, go give her. Mostly this my Naija Daughter TV. That time they grow on. Piston say, me, I want use that and grow. I think your matter say reach my table now. Say, I want use that and grow. Say, I never will get reach 1,000 subscriber. And me, will never get reach 1,000 subscriber. Me don't monetize. Just a lot of people when I don't assist for this YouTube street. Percy, I dey assist Percy. Now Percy come meet me, tell me, say, sis, I beg, you fit help this my sister. I say, waiting, the girl loads me finish. I say, you never will see your own. Your own never will complete. You dey drag another person. Let your own complete. Then you go feed bring her. You can't say no, the girl just explain. I say, okay, what you go do? Tell this Piston, I be peace. Yeah, they call her peace. Piston. Tell her, make she reach out to me. Maybe we know what it be the matter. If na go pin, if na for her to no resolve her, to restart her, or maybe we call people when we stick, or maybe we know how we take resolve the matter so that may the thing, you know, may her China come back. Now she tell this girl, no what this girl can't tell her this Piston. He tell her, the girl can't tell her to make she send my China. The girl not send my Esther, thank God. He can't send Naija Daughter TV, this my particular China. So go give this girl. The girl go view me when I go sit down in the night. They say, hey, what can I get? Okay. Now she pick craze. The girl say, you not come here for her. Me not come here for the girl. Now who they look for something now in her long. Me I just the bona. Till one day when the girl come tell me say, I see wetin Piston talk. He say me why I never monetize. I want use am monetize. Everybody now don dey say Piston, pistol. So everybody they want associate with. I say, who be that? So my people. It's everybody now. Come Piston, come here, I tell you. Now when we dey abroad, now we dey view now. Person like me will never be content creator. I love to watch Africa YouTuber, Africa family back home. I love to see a lot of updates about Africa. That is why many Africa people blow. When we be content creator, when we do family vlog for Europe, it hard us because many of Africa people, when want view us, now Africa people now they want view us, make they see our life. But number one, data. Number two, light. Meanwhile, they Europe, if they put two content creators, Africa and Europe, I prefer to watch Africa family vlog. Now you carry that your man, the throw and give YouTubers. Say, everybody, what do you get? Now you they fit people. You don't know who go help you. You know me say many people, people just dey YouTube. Many of them are YouTube that they survive. You know me say people just some people dey YouTube. I know a lot of people when they this YouTube, they are just doing it a lot without this money, without anything. They are just doing it just for them to know one of two people, to have family, to have. Now you start to throw that your mouth. They tell the person say, I don't want load the load. All your load the day my now like this day. I hold on like this. I don't want loader. The only advice I want to give you, our sister UK family, may una quiet. No matter how you will come outside, talk about editorial. People go lash you. People go lash Ekeme because if you see this matter, if you see when Ekeme, I not say may you your person sister and person not they play, may they be enemy. No, but if people open eyes, now look well, and more people when they here. First of all, the problem when first come out now, Ekeme now give her 10,000. Then she come out. She knows if he come out, tell people say, editorial give me 5,000. People go lash editorial. And normal people go lash. How can somebody stay with you for many months? If they come out, you go give them 5,000. She know, number one. Number two, Ekeme and Piston as their friendship day. Ekeme, if you really need goods and you need pics for these people, take this matter out of social media. Yes. Take this matter out of social media. If you talk to editorial, she not take. Then do your own research for the background. Go live stream and live stream presenter. Ask them. Chat them. They will tell you immediately. They will tell you, say, contact me on my IG. See my phone number. Immediately, they will send you their phone number. Then you go chat them. Then they will resolve a lot of things. Una want to hide under the umbrella grow. Una don't know anything. Yes, because I know the street. Piston, when you come, they say, nah, in a big YouTuber. Who that you big YouTuber? May God let you big. May God let everybody big. That's your ego. Carry and come down like this. People when you don't vote big. People when they vote big, they say they watch. You big reach Ogum series. I never reach on. I bet my people even not get Ogum series. May not follow her. I never reach 100 subscriber when that lady they follow me. Talk about their Nello, talk about their Sandra, talk about their Angel, talk about their Ineka. Ineka. I bet if I mother your name. A lot of big YouTubers surround this lady, but she still watch people. Who be you? You they use mouth, they chop YouTuber. Respect yourself. You, my sister Ekeme, carry that. Find how you want to resolve the problem. Then, if you resolve it, may just say monetize, may not bring anything out. Because if you bring anything out, you start to dig this matter. We the sit down talk presenter, one at the feed. We will dig down. Personally, I go analyze. I'll get part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. In fact, part 10. May we not just hide these cakes, okay? You, my beautiful sister, editorial, please, sis, okay? Family people, it's good to help them, but now they beat person pass. If they beat you, they put pepper on this your eye. You know, see, cry. Wait till I will just advise you. You know, say, China hard to get for this street. You understand? He hard. Please, you don't already do one for her. Please, resolve her. If there is any place. Because the other part now, your sister say, then don't get the passport. Then you try, stand by them to resolve that Google pin. I'll throw this one because now your Google pin first day. Maybe you know, say, I know all the load. Now your Google pin first day. Then you vex, remove her. May she bring her own come out now. It can't be the problem. And she don't get her own now. May the person when first put her, may bring it own come outside. The person not there to stand, to assist. Please, sis, I'm begging, okay? I'm using this my media to beg you. Forget all the when you dey hear. I know what you don't they feel now. So, okay, let me leave her with Ekeme. May I say I want to solve her. That is the essence you did now, okay? Please, forgive them. Forgive mostly this Piston. I don't know what to talk. Forgive her because that my first video when I for talk. I lash you well. I say, at least Moxie dey there. You get siblings surround your husband dey there. No one can fit talk to you to fit do and to forgive and forget. And you are a Christian. You bath every Sunday. I know say it's when somebody is hurt, you go say you don't forget. You don't forgive the person. But for you to see the person, say you with her, it dey hard. But because of God, just have 1 minute with her, then solve her, please. Okay? Not look the side talk when you dey hear. Not they look the play, pepper them when they do. Just neglect them. You understand? Do what you supposed to do, then leave her. The piston, her ego too much. Now she, one day when I even watch the video, say, maybe I don't want to watch my video. Hey, my people, waiting, wetin aboki man no see for gate o. Hey, wetin dey say Esther when they grow, they wan use me grow. E don land for my table pekete. Abeg, I no wan chook mouth put again. You know say this social media, this street e hot too. Everybody dey look for view. Hey, everybody dey look for view. Abeg, this small thing when I talk now I know say I know the loader. I really know am well. Make una respect una self o, okay? If you dey do say pepper editorial, please do am small. Respect her. We when we not get umbrella. Hey, why people when they really help, why they not they appreciate? Why people when family, sister, brother help, why they not they get small? Say, see us or gum series. See how they talk. Hey, now Sandra grow, make me grow. Why can't some people be like that? Why can't you appreciate? You don't do live stream. You don't suffer. You don't look for subscriber. You think say to grow channel easy. They just carry on now. Now just grow. Then I just sit down for my channel. Start to talk to the person. Without Beetle, my beautiful sister, a UK family. If you mean well, okay, you don't talk to your sister, she not here. Look for solution. Not come out for social media again. Okay? Take this matter out of social media. Yes, take it out of social media. Not they do editorial pepper. For me, I look and say, pepper, we must do it without you. That is wrong. You say you and your sister, that one not concern you. Even I get it, you know, na fast, no have to solve. My people, I just want to get to talk. Make them solve their case for inside house. Yes. Make them not bring and come out for social media. Please, if you like this my channel and you like me as I do, I not be pissed on, I not be pissed off, I not be pissed take care when they say, me, I need to. Me not subscribe to me, me not watch my video, Me not give me woto, me not worry. Me not download me woto, Me not download me, me not worry. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. This channel, I talk any news. I not just deliberate for content creator, because they know they watch me, because they don't even know me. This one I will talk now because of Piston. Piston say who be me? Me why they grow? Me why they grow? My channel monitor, my go pin day, everything day. Hey, probably not too much. Probably not too much. Oh, 17 minutes. I want to this. May I live now, my beautiful people? Probably too much. Oh, say me why they grow? I want you to grow. Say I think carry you come out for my channel. I never want to you. Respect yourself, okay? Not the true math. Respect people. You don't know who is who. You don't know they watch you. Get that respect, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Please, if you never subscribe to Vicky Corner, yes, it say, if you want cry, go your channel, go cry. Now if you sit down for my channel, they cry. If you don't get Vicky Corner, wait till they wait for. Go get her, okay? Go they bring and come and woto for you, okay? Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Those people I just mentioned, Vicky Corner or Gum Series. You not follow them, okay? I'll see you in my next video.